children, welcome to your maths class. Today we will continue our large numbers chapter. So today we will learn about place values and expanded form. Okay, so this is part B. This is part B where we will learn about place value, and expanded forms. Okay. So everything what is being written on the board, you will write it in your notebook. So here you will write part B. The first one, all the theories that you have written, all the written matter, part A hoga, where you learnt about the place value chart and everything. Okay. So this will be part B, where you will learn about place value and expanded form. Okay. So you will underline it. Okay. Now here you have to learn, or you have to read or learn, and also learn the one point, which is that the place value chart extends to the left. Okay. So the first point where you will learn is that the place value extends towards left and underline left. Now ये समझ आपको मैंने क्या लिखा है, द प्लेस वैल्यू एक्सटेंड्स टूवर्ड्स लेफ्ट. नाउ अगर आपको इसे समझना है, देन गो बैक टू प्लेस वैल्यूज. नाउ रिमेंबर हाउ डू वी राइट प्लेस वैल्यूज? वी राइट वंस, यस, देन वी राइट टेंस, वी राइट 100, देन you write 1000, then again you write 10,000, then you write lakhs, 10 lakhs and crores and 10 crores. So see, you start writing from here, you go towards left. Yes or no? This is your left part and this is your right part. है ना? This is your left, no? So here it goes towards left. So which is why the place value extends towards left. यानी आप 1 से 10 की तरफ जाते हो, 100 की तरफ जाते हो, यानी पीछे पीछे जाते हो. So that's why ये लाइन है, the place value extends towards left. आप ये हमेशा याद रखेंगे. ओके, ठीक है. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू इरेज द लोअर पार्ट so that we can write the next one. Okay. So now you understood what do I mean by the place value extends towards left. Then you will write the next point, that is the B point. What will be the B point? The B point is place value chart. Okay. Place value chart. Now what does it do? Place value chart can help us to determine the place value of the digit. Now, how will it help us to do so? Again, see the next point. The place value chart can help us to determine the place value of a digit. Now, how will this help you? Now, see, suppose I'll give you a number. This is just an example, okay? This you will not find in your textbook. Suppose this is the number 342. Now, if I ask you what is the place value of the digit 4, what will you do? You will straight up write 1 10. Okay, this is 10. So this place value is 4 tenths. Understood? Yes or no? This place value is 4 tenths. Its numbers you will straight up write 40. Okay. So this is how your place value chart can help us to determine the place value of a digit. I hope you've written this. Do not write this. This is only for your understanding purpose. You will write the A value and expanded form. First you learn about the place value. Now what are the place values? The place value extends towards left. You know it goes from unit to tens to hundred to thousand to 10,000 to lakh, and it goes on. Okay. So now you understood this, and then the second part is the place value chart can help us determine the place value of the digit, यानी उस digit का क्या place value है, ये आपको कौन help करेगा बताने में? Place value chart. Okay. So I hope you have written this so that we can continue further. Now we will solve the sums in your textbooks. Okay. Now this is solved examples. Okay. So this is example 1. Page number is 9. So I am writing here page number 9. This is example 1. Okay, I'll put easy. This is example 1. Now what is the question? Enter in the place value chart. Enter in the place value chart. What is happening here? The digits of the following numbers. The digits of the following numbers. Okay, and find the place value of digit 3 in each case. Okay, so and find the place value of digit 3 in each case. Okay. Okay, so what are the digits here? A is 360526. Okay. Then the next question is 3500 614. The C is 2083 and 560. Okay, so these are your questions. This is example number 1 on page number 9. What is the question saying here? Enter in the place value chart the digits of the following numbers and find the place value of digit 3 in each case. Now what you have to do? You have to make a place value chart. Now remember, how did you all make the place value chart? So first, you will make a table. Yes? Then you will start with the ones. Okay, so these are the ones. Then you have the tens. Then you have the hundreds. Yes? Then what do you have next is thousands, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crores. Okay. So here what will you do? You will first make one column, then again another one. Okay. Then we will all make 1, 2 and 3. Okay. So first 2 big columns, then 3 small columns. Now here you will accordingly erase. Now what will you accordingly erase? the units period. So here will be the unit period which has 3 digits. You will erase the 2 lines up. Here you have 1 and here you have 1. Okay. So here is the units period or the ones period. Yes. Then you have the thousand period. Then you have the lakhs period. And if at all crore comes, you will write it here. Okay. Then the place value below 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crores. Okay. So this will not put crores because we don't think we have crores here. Okay. So what will we put here? We will put here numbers. Okay. What will we put here? We will put here numbers. Okay. So here numbers. Now question number 8. Okay, what will you do? You will start straight up putting the place values. So first number is this 5, 6. Okay, how will you read this? Put commas. So 3,60,526. Again, you will start placing the numbers in the place value from left. You know, see. It extends from left. So what the last digit? 6. Yes. Then it is 2. Then 5. Then the other number says 0. Then 6 and 3. So again, how will you read? 3,60,526. Okay. So now we will do the next one. Again, we will start writing from last. Okay. Last word will move towards your left. Okay. So 4, 1, then there is 6, then you have 2 zeros, then 5 and 3. Correct? And again you have to just put it. Now, look here. See, this is again you will start from the last. 9, 6, 5, 3, 8, 0, 2. Correct? Now, what do you have? You have now entered the digits in the place value chart. हमने क्या कर दिया? हमने एंटर कर दिया है प्लेस वैल्यू चार्ट में. अब हम क्या करेंगे? What will we do now? Now we have to find the place value of digit 3. Okay, digit 3 का आपको प्लेस वैल्यू फाइंड करना है. तो फर्स्ट में कैन यू सी हियर इनका प्लेस वैल्यू क्या है? लाख. Yes. Then here what can you see? It is in 10 lakhs. Yes. There are 3 tens and lakhs. Yes or no? Yes. This is 30 lakhs. And then you can find here the another one. This is in 3,000. Yes or no? So now you will not circle it here, you will write it again. Okay. So I will erase this because teacher doesn't have place here. So teacher will erase this. I will give you some time so that you can jot it down. And when will you write? Below this table. Okay. The place value of A3 is 3 lakhs. Then the place value is 30 lakhs. Then there is 3,000. Okay. Below the table. I am going to erase the table, but you will not erase in your notebook. Okay. So I will erase this. Now. A. the place value of 3 in, you will write the whole number, 3,60,526. Okay, you put the commas also. Is what? 3 lakhs? Yes, so it's 3 lakhs. Yes or no? And in figure, how will you write 3 lakhs? Unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs. Okay. So the place value of 3 in 3 lakhs 60,000, 60,526 is 3 lakh, and in figures you will write. And if at all, if you have any confusion, आप क्या करेंगे? ये place value लिखा आपने 3, कि जितने numbers हैं उतने ही आप 0 लिख दो. 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay. So this is the first. Then again, what will we do? Just write down this, then we will solve the next one, the 3b one. Okay. I hope you have written this. So I am just going to erase this. You will write it the next. Okay. You cannot erase it again and again. No. So the place value of 3 in, the number is, again what will you do? You will put the commas in after every period. That's 35 lakhs 614. Okay. So here the place value is 30 lakhs. How much? It is, look here. Now this is 3 tens. Yes or 10 lakhs, no? 3 10 lakhs. That is nothing but 30 lakhs. So you will write in numbers. Okay, 3 times lakh. That is nothing but 30 lakhs. I am writing here 30 lakhs. You will write here. Okay. And how will you write in figures? I have told you. Units, tens, 100, comma, 1000, 10,000, comma, lakh and 10 lakh. This is your number. Okay. So write down this first. Now again, question number C. Okay, I will erase this. The place value in 3 in, the next number is 2083569. Again the commas. Yes, 20,83,556. Now what is the place value here? 3,000 is 3,000. You will spell it TH REE, and in figures how will you write? You know very well. Yes? Yes. I hope this is clear to you. Then we will go to the next exercise. Okay? Not next exercise but the next exam. Now again, I hope you have written this. This is easy for you to solve. Then the next. Write each of the following in expanded form. Okay. So question will be, this is question number example 2. Okay. This is example 2. Now write in expanded form. question is write in expanded form, and then what you have to do, you have to find the place value of 5. What you have to do, find the place value of 5 in words and figures. Okay, in words and figures. So what you have to do, you have to find the place value in words as well as figures. Okay, so first question is this. Now how will you write the expanded form? This is the first question. First question is 8, 5, 8, 4, 9. So you know how will you write the expanded form? You will just separate into zeros. Okay. So here first you will write 8. Then as many digits, as many zeros. 5 digits, 5 zeros. Am I right? Yes. Then again you will jump to the next digit, that is 5. And how many digits are remaining? 4. You will put 4 zeros. Then again 8. Again as many digits, as many zeros. And units, there are no digits, will put no zeros. Okay. Can you see? This is how you will write the expanded form. Now the next is, now you have to find the place value of 5. Okay, what you have to find now? You have to find the place value of 5 in this number. Now look here, where do you find 5 here? Here. You clearly know when you put the comma, you straight up know it is 50,000. Yes or no? So place value. So what will you write? Therefore, the place value of what? Of 5 is 50,000 in words and in figures. You have written in words and in figures. What will be the number? It will be 50,000. Yes. Now write down this fast so that we can, this is A and then we will solve the B question. Okay. I hope you have written this so that I can erase this. Next number is B. The number is 250 and 3702. Okay, this is your number and you have to write the expanded form. Okay, so I hope you can write the expanded form here. Look here. Again the expanded form. What will you write here? Expanded form. Then 2, as many digits, as many zeros. Okay. And similarly, to write as many zeros, you can write 1 0 also. Okay. So now you have written this much. After that, what will you do? You will find the place value of 5. So the place value of 5. What you have to find is the place value of 5. Now, here is the 5. Put up commas, you know it is 5 lakh. So what will you write? In words, put equal to and then write 5 lakh. And in figures, what will be the number as it is, and you will start putting commas. Okay, now you know where to put commas, you will put, so that you can easily read the number, that is 5 lakhs. Okay, now see, now we will do example number 3. Okay, so write down this first. Now, the next question is find the place value. This is example number 3. Find the place value, okay, of the digits given in the box. Of the digits given in the box. Okay. Now you will write the question first. Now what is the question? Question number A is 5. Then you have a box 6, and that box number is 6. Then 2, 3, 9, 1. This is the first number. Then the second one, straight up the first box. And then you have the number 956 00. And then the number here is 2. Okay, this is the question here. Now, what do you have to find? The place value. Now, how will you find the place value? See, teacher will teach you both the methods. The one is easier method when you do not understand anything, and then the exact reason behind it. So the place value here you have to find. So this is answer 1. The place value of 6 is, you will write 6, look here, unit, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So it is 60,000. The place value of only 6. You will write 6 here, and then you will as many digits as many zeros. जितने भी digits बचे आप उतने ही zero डाल दो. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and again put comma. It is 60,000. Understood? How will you write it? 6, then 0, 0, 0, C. Okay. Then again the next question. The place value of 2. Okay. So the place value of 2 is how much? Then again 0, 0, 0, lakhs. So the place value of 2 here is 2 lakhs. Understood? I hope this is clear for you, and we'll continue all the things in next lecture. Okay. Thank you everyone. Have a great day.